Hey, welcome to the Hennasooq channel. My name is Khadija. I am the CEO and founder of Hennasooq, and thank you for joining me here on my channel where I bring you expert advice on henna hair color and guiding you on your Ayurvedic hair care journey, picking up the right herbs and regimen plan that will work for your hair goals. And today though, I'm changing things up a little bit because every Thursday usually I do Ask Hennasooq, where you ask some pressing questions and I get your questions answered for you. So I'm going to be focusing on these amazing product bundle boxes that we got this October that are going to be selling out very quick. This box is our henna cleansing and moisture rich box. Yes. I put these three products together so that way you can get deeply moisturized with our henna kisses, infused with organic henna, and also infused with organic henna is our henna shampoo bar. I'm not getting too corny on you guys, am I? And the most popular henna powder of all, the organic red raj. Ooh, very good henna powder because it's creamy smooth, has the highest dye content, so if you're coloring your hair you're gonna get the best coverage, and it's just so smooth and creamy, makes it so easy to wash out. And I got videos for you on Instagram and YouTube showing you these cute ways to use these treatments like so easily, and with some of your favorite influencers. They're just showing you how to mix this. It's so soothing and relaxing. That's exactly what we encompass right here at Hennasooq. Not just these great products, but a whole way of feeling, like your mind, body, and soul. It's don't get me started. If you guys watch, you know how I get. I just go on and on about how, you know, Hennasooq is, because it is, and it's 100% me. This is not me being fake or me just trying to get these products, you know. It's exactly how I feel. Those you guys that know me, you know me. I've been saying this since day one, since 2005. So this box right here, it is a must have. The value of these products is $31, and you can have it. Yes, you can have it for only $19.99. So it's a great steal. It makes a great gift. Even if you are getting a whole bunch of these boxes for yourself, why don't you repurpose these boxes? It's like, they're so nice. Yes, you get these great products. That will be a whole wash day treatment. You can actually use this in a whole wash day. You can cleanse your hair with the henna shampoo bar first. Then you can take some of your red raj, add a couple of the henna kisses, maybe like 2 or 3, you know, melt them down a little, and then add it slowly to the red raj powder. You may need a little bit of warm to hot distilled water because, you know, it might be still a little bit too thick. So just adjust as needed and then apply it to your hair, and you can leave it on for like an hour or 2, or if you really want to push the color results and you want to see more of that red pop, then just leave it in for like 3 to 4 hours. The type of red tones that you get from red raj is kind of like a classic kind of red tone. It's everyone's hair is a little bit different because all of us have different you know, hair color, and sometimes we have more grays than others do. There's a lot of factors that go into it, like maybe your hair is really light. If you already have naturally red hair, your results are definitely going to differ from somebody who has brown hair. So, but it gives you a beautiful natural red highlight. So it's really, really gorgeous. And if you're trying to build up that red, you just have to do consistent applications, like every 4 to 6 weeks. You know, just be consistent with the color and it will build up. If your hair is feeling really nice too, like with all the treatments, you can even do every 3 to 4 weeks, as long as you're watching your hair and making sure your hair is happy in that, because you're going to be the best advocate for your hair because you're the one doing all the treatments from home. So definitely watch your hair, monitor, write everything down so you can keep track of that. What this box is going to do for your hair is going to cleanse it. It's going to be a moisture rich protein treatment, so your hair is definitely going to feel really strengthened. Your hair is just going to feel so soft. If you do need more moisture, don't forget to use our cleansing co-wash afterwards, which you can get separately, and then use that because it's very, very, very restorative. So it'll add back a lot of moisture if you need more moisture. And you can also, you know, use your favorite leave-in, because just keep moisturizing as needed if you do feel you need it. But the payoff with henna, that protection for your hair on against all the outdoor elements is going to be phenomenal and last at least like 4 to 6 weeks, if not even 8 weeks. So get yourself this bundle. You do not want to miss out because they are going to be gone before we know it. And stay tuned on our Instagram channel for all the reels that we have, and on YouTube we have all those shorts coming out with all the videos on how to use these really easily, and you'll find even more recipes on both those channels, and it'll be a great step into henna and Ayurvedic hair care for sure. Let me know, what are you most excited about when it comes to this Henna Moisture Bundle? And don't forget, hit the subscribe button because you don't want to miss the videos that we have coming out every Tuesday, Thursday, and Sunday. And I will see you next time.